Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss dictionary in Python. The topic that we cover in the dictionary in Python are definition of dictionary, creation of dictionary, accessing element of dictionary, add a new item in dictionary, modified an item in dictionary, how we can traverse a dictionary, the function that use in the dictionary. Let's start with the definition of dictionary. Dictionary are used to store data. As we know that we can store data into the list and tuple, in same way we can store data into the dictionary, but basic difference between the list, tuple and dictionary is that dictionary can store the data into key pair, where a key is there. According to that we have to store its value. In the key we store the value of its item. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered. It may be or it may not be. We can change the order of our dictionary. It is changeable because we can make change into the dictionary, and does not allow duplicate value, as we can add duplicate value in list and tuple, but dictionary never allow the duplicate value into the dictionary. Dictionary are written with the curly bracket and have key values. This is the example of a dictionary, how we can define a dictionary. To define a dictionary you have to start dictionary name with the curly bracket के साथ में आपको start करना है. This is the key value and this is the pair value. So the brand is a key and the value of brand is 4. Now let's see the practical aspect of dictionary. Now how we can define a dictionary? I remove this thing. To define a dictionary I use a identifier my d, and you have to start with curly bracket. When we start curly bracket, this means we are starting a dictionary. Now I give first key name. After that we have to use a colon to separately define its value. Now use the comma for defining other key and value, age. Then for string value you have to use double quote, or for normal value you have to for numerical value need not to use any kind of code. Now we are printing our dictionary. In simple print statement you can write myD. So this will give the values of dictionary along with its key. So name Sandeep, age 36. Now how we can add one more new item into the dictionary? To add new item into dictionary, simply we have to use a new key pair for add a new item into the dictionary. For example myD, then we are adding new element. For example I want to add new thing like city, and with the pair I can go for what, equal symbol, then I use that city name. You can see at the last I add one more thing that is called as a city key pair with Barnagar. In this manner we can add a new item into the dictionary. इस तरह से हम एक डिक्शनरी में नया आइटम ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now how we can access the element of dictionary? To access the element of dictionary there are number of method. We can access the element by its key, by its value also. So simply if we write in print statement the name of dictionary, that's give the dictionary element directly. But if you want to print a particular key value, for example you want to print only name, then this will give you the name of that particular key. Now how we can access the element using for loop? Means how we can traverse a string. For I in range, for I in myD, then we can go for same print statement with different types of values. Like if I write this, so this will be print the same thing twice, but if I go for like that I, so this will print only and only the key value. If we go for the if we want to print the key only, then we can use key. So this will print the only key of that dictionary. If you want to print only value, then you can use myD.value, that will print only the value of डिक्शनरी. मीन्स पहले वाले में इसने सिर्फ माई की से कीज प्रिंट करी थी. इन द सेकेंड वन दिस विल प्रिंट द वैल्यू ऑफ all the key printed here. Now if you want to print the key along with its value, then you can use myD.items. This will print all the key along with its item, but in separate manner. Now how we can edit or update a dictionary? For example, as I said, how we can add a new item. If you want to add new item into dictionary, you can use update method. In update method, using update or modified in dictionary, we can add new item or delete new item from the dictionary. Sorry.